what's up? It's a girl Simply Amazing and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to do something more on the simpler side, so fresh face, not even more brows done. So I'm going to do like a everyday makeup routine. Like I don't wear makeup every day, all I use, but the kind of video I'll be doing today, I'll be incorporating everything because you guys have been asking me for a tutorial like this on IG. I think the last get ready with me I did, it was pretty simple, but because you guys been requesting it, I am going to go more in depth, so that would be today's tutorial. So guys, remember, if you enjoy these videos and if you enjoy the videos that I'm posting, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you guys would like to see and all of that good stuff. Remember to follow me on IG. I will link it somewhere on the screen and it will be down in my description box. So guys, let's get on with this video. This is why I do like show when me I do my brows on camera. You saw one the eye up, one is eye all the way up. By the way, I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan. One the eye up and one like I just can't bother with it. The brush that I'm using, it has no name, it's just a regular concealer brush. And if you're hearing any like noise in the background, that is my fan. Yep. Is now onto the skin. I am going in with the Beauty Creations primer oil, the glow primer oil. It's non-greasy, hydrating. It is hydrating for real. I actually use this primer as a moisturizer. My skin has been acting up lately, as you guys can see. Like guys, I was sick, my allergies was acting up and my eyes were swollen. That's why you guys didn't get a video on Wednesday. So, yeah. And then I did have some footage, but all of the footage was corrupt. I mean, I say, oh, I wouldn't have been able to film another video given the fact that my eyes are swollen. What am I gonna do? What am I going to do? So I'm going to rub this onto my skin. I will definitely do a tutorial on that. Now I'm going in with the It's You, the Sistar Cosmetics It's You Weightless Long Wearing Foundation in the shade Chocolate Chip. And as you guys can see, I'm almost out. Like, I just love the foundation, yo. I just like the feel. It's not full coverage, but even though I do have some blemishes on my face, it's like can't work over it. It's not full coverage, but it's a nice foundation. It's a nice foundation, and I'm going in with the Shana flat top foundation brush. Yeah, this is our full tutorial. So I'm just going to stipple that onto my face, or press it in instead of stippling. Press it in. see all the dewiness and that yumminess. I am not a dewy skin type of girl. As you guys know, I live in Jamaica, so it is hot all year round, even though from a week the place has been cool, but naturally it is hot all year round, so I don't really go for a dewy skin, but it's just that my skin needs some form of hydration. And then I actually like that foundation. I actually like the primer and the foundation mixed together, so I just do that. But once I set your face properly, it's not going to move, sis. It's not going to move. And trust me, this is coming from somebody who's sweats like girl. I sweat a lot. But yeah, I did a poll on Instagram saying if you guys would like me to do a video on how to be single. Like, there's a lot of video on YouTube stating how to be single, but people always DM me, people always like friends them always try to make certain joke, and I was like, girl, go get you a man, sis. So, and then I'm actually say I'm single, people like, really, you're single, or you just, you know, because you saying you're single nowadays, you know, I'm using the same concealer, by the way, guys. You saying you're single nowadays is like, you're not, it's like you're being intimate with someone, but you're not in a relationship. So anytime I say I'm single, them always say, yeah, right, but I'm actually celibate. Like, to me, like, I am a Christian. I have a Christian. I was raised that way, so I have a Christian culture. So certain things I don't indulge in. Like, I am not a saint. But I am pretty innocent. Because every time we say me a Christian or whatever, somebody always jump in with the saint. I'm not a saint. There's just certain stuff I don't indulge in, and just the type of person I am. This move to a chit chat. Wow. Okay. Just the type of person I am is there's just some things I won't indulge in. Now I'm going in with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mohagamy. Mohagamy. And I'm going to put that along my jawline. Not my jawline, I don't normally put it on my jawline. Underneath my cheekbone, edge of my nose, and the sides of my forehead. And I'm going to blend out my contour first. You know, I did see somebody like put it right up on them chin, and I tried it once, and I actually liked it. Look, it just, and it actually let your face look elongated because you're slimming down your chin and you're slimming down your face, so it look long. So yeah. But anyways, as I was saying, there's just some things I don't partake in. They just so I just wouldn't do it out of self-respect. You understand? So I'm not going to sleep around and not be in a relationship. That's not fun. So I'm using this contour brush from Profusion. It's a slanted brush, like I love this brush down to be just hug the cheek. But guys, I will be doing that video because there's a lot of things. Because you have nigga, let me not say the N word. You have dudes that will hit you up and they'll be like, you know, shorty, let's go chill and whatever, and then be like, is your man comfortable with this? And you'll be like, I'm single. And then like them always have this thing I'm going for, say like, if she's single and she pretty, she a problem. I consider myself, no, I'm beautiful. Sorry. I'm always say like, if she pretty and she's single, she a problem. I am not a problem. I'm not. I just don't tolerate foolishness. And some of the things y'all dudes be doing and expect woman to tolerate, like, boy, get your ass out of here. You need to go, sir. So guys, I like to blend out my contour first and let my highlights sit. For some reason I feel like I'm not too much. It's whatever. And I'm going in with the Shana Boom brush, and I'm going to use that blend out my highlighting. I'm definitely, because when I did the poll and I realized everybody wanted to see that, I'm like, I tune of fast. Be the real over here. But that is a video I'm definitely going to do. So I've been trying out these small brands lately, and I have a mixture of the City Color. I have a mixture of the City Color translucent powder and the Beauty Creations banana powder. So yeah, like I love the two of them, so I just mix it. But as I was saying, let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. Like every time I say, let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see, especially on Instagram. You guys tend to get personal, and that is something I'm trying to stay away from. Like if you want to know me on a more personal level, go over to my vlog channel. Like you'd see some, yeah. See some more of my personality over there. Anyway, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going in with this shade to contour, and then I'm going in with this shade to contour my nose. So I normally put on my contour powder first before I set the rest of the foundation. Hug that sheet. And you guys can see where it's set and where it's not set. See that? And then I go right around my foot. With the Milani mineral powder, and it's almost in the shade Warm. And I'm going to go with that all over my face. I'm gonna dust away the excess powder, and I'm using the Profusion powder brush. Like sometimes I could try a small brand, you know. Like this brush is like setting powder, setting spray, and it's cucumber scented, and it somewhat reminds me of the Maria Badescu spray. Yeah, a little small and cheaper. So now, while that out of my chest, while that dry a bit, I'm going to use the same powder brush and stamp that in my skin. I'm going lightly because I don't want anything. You just need it to move. And guys, this is actually how I get that skin line. Like, if you guys like would have seen me in natural light, this is how I get that skin like look. And this is how I prefer my face to look like. I don't want it to look too powdery or anything. So guys, if y'all been rocking with me from the first video I post on YouTube, y'all would know that this mascarade palette, I have a highlighter palette and I have a single highlighter, but I just prefer the mascarade. I use these two, this one and this one. I use the call it kind of dirty, the Casablanca. So this one is the Casablanca and this one is the DAH. I don't know how to pronounce that. That here are they here are there they are, I don't know, but I mix those two and that is what I use on my highlight, like, and I use it for clients as well. I just prefer it. And I go right on top of my cheek, like right here. Get gorgeous baked bronzer. A little bit right underneath my brow bone. I'm not even going to change the brush or whatever, just a tad bit. But this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to give it a big thumb up. So I just add up like a simple lash, nothing too dramatic, and just add some clear glass. As I said guys, this is my everyday glam. This is as natural as I can get. So if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what other videos. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see in the comment section down below. So yeah, guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I see you guys